let's talk about the ACCC. The ACCC. So, again, this is Australian centric, okay? So if you're selling in another country, I don't know that this applies to you. But if you're selling on Amazon.com, this absolutely applies to you. So ACCC, Australian Competition and Consumer, whatever it may be, the bastards that manage everything and are the bureaucracy of Australian business. Here's what they've said. Here's what they've now started to enforce quite aggressively. In the past, what we were able to do as sellers of anything online, or indeed of anything, selling things, whether that's in a retail environment or an online environment, when we had a sale, it was very, very easy for us to simply have the same price that we'd always sold at, but to say it was 10% cheaper, okay? Mongrel thing to do, happened all the time. However, what the ACCC has now come into the party with is if you put your products on sale, so Amazon Prime, for instance, a classic example of that, you must have had them on offer at the high retail price. So if you're discounting from 50 to 25, then your products must have been available on Amazon at $50 for 30 days prior to you putting them on sale. So you can't just say a week before or a day before, I'm going to put them up to 50 and now I'm going to put them on sale at 25, therefore there's 50% off. You can't do that. If you do, you're going to cop a fine like Kogan did. You've got to do it properly. And this has always been the case. So it's not like this is a new thing. What is new is the ACCC's aggressiveness in now pursuing this, okay? So they've really taken this to another level and are aggressively pursuing this. So just be careful when you are thinking about your sale price, because it's super easy to check that, by the way. Just be careful about your sale price and your RRP. You need to be mindful that now we've got to be held to another standard of accountability for things like that, okay? Hey, Neil here. Just before you go away, that was a question that I got asked on my regular Monday night Q&A session, which I have with the members of the Aussie Online Entrepreneurs. So if you're interested in joining us as an Aussie Online Entrepreneurs, then you can click on the link below to find out a lot more about that. And also, as a special thank you for watching this video, I've got a great book that I want to give you for free. It's a current bestseller on Amazon, and it teaches you everything that you would need to know about starting a business here in Australia on Amazon. So you can see that just up there. So if you'd like to get a copy of that for free, then again, just click on the link below and you'll get a copy of that. You'll get taken to a page where you can get a copy of that for absolutely free. Hope you enjoyed that little snippet from one of my Aussie Online Entrepreneur Q&A sessions, and make sure that you subscribe to my channel and also like this video. And if you've got a question that you would like answering, then post it in the comments below, and I'll do my best to answer it, whether on one of these videos for you or directly in the comments directly below. All right, thanks so much for watching, and I'll catch you next time on the next of the Aussie Online Entrepreneurs Amazon FBA Australia videos. See you soon.